All right, take a look at this guy. This is Lucas the penguin, and with the help of his new orthopedic boots, he now has a case of happy feet. Lucas has lesions on his feet due to a chronic condition, and the footwear is meant to help him. If left untreated, the condition could lead to sepsis and death by infection. Experts say African penguins have suffered a massive population decline and are listed as endangered. Look, I think he's announcing that he got new kicks and he's really excited about it.
Wants to show off his new.
I think so. He's looking for his penguin friends.
Find them.
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't
You're
know
right.
about you
Yeah,
guys,
that's
but
what he said.
would your dogs wear orthopedic shoes?
They wouldn't. No, they can barely wear their leash. Like they're very anti.
I can't agree with that. With
anything.
My dogs.
Yeah. I've tried using them, and no, they just kind of
Yeah.
like deer on ice.
Yeah, it's weird. Well, they're not supposed to. They have
Well, I tell you, if you're going to be walking your penguin or your dog, got some good weather this evening right now.